All right, you guys, today we are traveling to
Brazil.
Brazil. All right, day one. You should have your facts about the country and your stamp to put into your passport. So Miss Rachel will go over that.
Alrighty, so welcome to Brazil. For your passport, you have a couple of pages to look at and to learn about. This first page has the outline of the country of Brazil. So if you were to look at an atlas or a map or a globe, that is what it looks like. That's the shape of the country. Here is the flag right here. As you can see, it's green. It has a yellow diamond, a blue circle in the middle with some stars. And there's also some words on there. If you look, it's not in our language. It's in a different language. But in English, you would say that's order and progress. So there's words in that flag too. The official language of Brazil is Portuguese. A lot of people think it is Spanish. It is not. They speak Portuguese in Brazil. And so to say hello in Brazil, you say hola.
Hola. Very similar.
Very similar, but just different enough. So Brazil is located on the continent of South America, and its national animal is the Jaguar, which
we're getting ready to make.
We're gonna make that today. And one of the most famous landmarks in Brazil is something called Christ the Redeemer statue. As you can see, this statue is way high up on a mountain. And you can see the cities down here, and then there's the ocean too. So if you were to hike up this mountain and go the whole way to the statue, you get a pretty awesome view of Brazil.
There you go. So make sure that you glue these in. Give yourself your little passport stamp. Welcome to Brazil. All right, so Jaguar, right? Go ahead and empty out all of your pieces and then just kind of sort them just so you know what you're dealing with. Oh, look at that. Gee, I wonder what that is.
I wonder.
All right. We have some facts, some dots, some googly eyes, and some cutouts. All right. So, pretty simple. That's definitely the body, right?
Yes.
Then we have this black shadow. And an orange head. But if we lay it on top.
Yeah, there we go. Give some dimension to that Jaguar.
That's right. So line it up. Black on bottom, orange on top. Flip over the orange. Glue where you can. And then flip it back over and line it back up. Okay, so we're working on the head first. All right. Now, that looks pretty cool, but we're missing eyes and a nose and a mouth. So if you take your googly eyes and you kind of lay them to see where they go. Mouth and nose, so it cute. All comes together.
That is so cute.
Okay? All right, so once you have it lined up, put some glue on and glue them down. Of course, I'm doing this upside down, so if his eyes look wonky, let me know, Miss Rachel.
Looks perfect.
Okay, and then let's put some glue on our mouth and whiskers and nose. So cute. I'm actually gonna flick them up a little, just because I can.
Yep.
Just because I can. All right. Next, we got to make sure that it lines up. All right. Now, this is where I'm going to need Miss Rachel just a little bit because you don't want to do like this.
No, it doesn't look quite right.
You don't want to do like this. So you got to kind of get it in the right place. Does that look about right?
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Do I need to change anything?
That's a little too far over to the side. That's good.
Right here?
There. Yep.
All right. So once you have where you want it, just put some glue right at the top there. And then slide it back down into place. Is that right?
Yep, that looks good.
Okay. So far, so good. All right. Then we have more spots all over. Let's just count them first. Let's see what we have. You might not have the same amount, but let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
and
8. All right, I got 8. What's half of 8?
Half of 8 is 4.
4 and 4. All right, so you can put them on any way you want. They actually have spots all over them, but we're gonna use little pom-poms just to make it cute. And then you are going to want to put glue onto the body and then put
The pom-pom
on top. Don't try to glue the pom-pom because then your glue stick will get all yucky. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Let's do one here. My glue keeps going down. I must be to the bottom of it. All right. I might have to get another one. All right, let's see. All right, Miss Chrissy's gonna use her finger because mine is to the bottom, so.
Yeah, it's not rotating up anymore. That's it.
But I'm gonna make sure I use all my glue.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, one more. Let's put it right there. Make sure these are gonna need a little bit more. That one might have stuck, but. All right, that should be good. Let's see. Oh,
yep.
Let's put a little more on that one. All right, while that is drying real quick, here's your facts. Miss Rachel can go over the facts with you.
Sure. So let's learn more about Brazil's amazing animal, the jaguar. They are the biggest cats in the Americas. That means they're the biggest cats in South America and North America. So the whole way up and down, they are the biggest wild cats that we have. Did you know that jaguars can fish?
I did not.
That's pretty cool. They use their tail to lure the fish in the water, which I think that's kind of
interesting.
I know, right? It's kind of like a fish hook, but it's his tail. They get the fish and then they turn around and snap them out. Their teeth are so strong that they can bite through sea turtle shells.
Oh, ow.
I don't know if any of you have ever touched a turtle shell before, but they are really hard. They're solid. So if their teeth are sharp enough to do that, wow, that's pretty amazing. So the jaguar that we made was orange with some black spots. They can also be completely black. And the black jaguars are more likely to live in the Amazon rainforest as it helps them blend in better with the trees and kind of the dark light in there. So
they look pretty cool too.
Oh yeah.
But all right, so the last thing we're gonna do is make our jaguar stand up. So your clothespins, you want to have it opening at the bottom so that it will stand, and you're just gonna glue it to the front paws and the back paws. All right. And since Miss Chrissy's glue is running low, I'm using my finger, but you guys roll up your glue and use the roll. Okay, that should do it. And then just line it up. Push it on, line it up. Okay, all right, let's see. Make sure this is on standing up correctly. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Miss Chrissy, what are you doing wrong here? Let's bend it. My fingers are all gluey now.
Oh no, he lost his spot.
Okay, there we go.
There, perfect.
It's my sticky fingers that
That's
kept
right.
making it like fall apart. But if it comes off,
let's try again. Glue it back on.
add some more glue.
Yep, no worries.
I just did not let mine dry. Okay. And let's see. Let's bend them a little bit. Make them a little more sturdy. Voila. Voila. If you want, you can glue your facts to the back. I mean, you don't have to. You can leave it to the side. But There you go. Welcome to Brazil and our Jaguar. All right, you guys. That is it for day one. I will see you tomorrow.